Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. I'm going to guide you through how to install WordPress using HosterPK step by step in the easiest way possible. So let's get started. Step 1 is to log into the control panel, cPanel. There are two ways to access your control panel on HosterPK. Method 1 is to log in through client area first. Log in to the HosterPK client area. Once you're in, click on the hosting plan you've purchased. A new window will open on the left side menu. You'll see an option that says cPanel Login. Click on it, and boom, you're inside your control panel. Method 2, through direct URL. You can also log in by typing your domain name followed by cPanel in your browser. Enter your cPanel credentials, and you're in. You're in the cPanel dashboard. Scroll down to the software section. Here, click on WordPress Manager by Softaculous. This will take you to the Softaculous app installer, a powerful tool that lets you install a wide range of applications. Click on Install under WordPress. Now let's configure the WordPress installation. Choose Protocol. Select HTTPS, recommended for security. Directory. Remove anything written in the directory field. This ensures WordPress is installed directly on your main domain, not in a subfolder. Version. Make sure to select the latest version of WordPress. Admin account. Choose a username. Set a strong password. Enter your email address too. Receive important updates. Then scroll down and click on Quick Install. The installation will take a few moments, and that's it. Your WordPress is now successfully installed. You'll see two important links. The first one is your website's main URL. The second one is the WordPress admin dashboard link. Clicking the second link will take you back into the Softaculous interface, from where you can manage your WordPress installation. Bonus tip to direct WordPress login, time. Instead of logging through Softaculous, simply go to yourdomain.com/wp-admin, enter your login credentials, and boom, you're inside your WordPress dashboard. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WordPress and hosting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.